Hi, I'm Mike from Ridgid. I'm going to run through our hole cutting tools and hole saw range. In the range there's two hole cutting tools, the HC-450 and the HC-300. The HC-450 is a 1200 watt motor and capable of drilling a 4 3/4 hole, which is 128 millimeters, and lashing on up to an 8-inch pipe. The 300, well, that's a 1200 watt motor, will drill a 3-inch hole saw, 76 millimeters, and again lash onto an 8-inch pipe. And to complement the hole cutting tools, there's a complete range of hole saws, right the way up to 6-inch, 152 millimeter, and also a range of kits as well.